Hello everyone. So welcome back to again grade 12th class physical education. Dear student, our main topic is today third chapter yoga and lifestyle. Full revision of this chapter. So last days one by one topic everyone full revised, but today again full chapter revision. So our specially main chapter name is yoga and lifestyle. Especially first started is the what is the meaning of yoga. Okay, so first topic is yoga. So main is meaning of yoga. So yoga is the especially unique of Atma and Paramatma. This is the meaning of yoga. So according to different authors, different definitions also, especially yoga is a set of physical and mental exercises. Yeah, according to Patanjali, checking in impulses of mind is yoga. So different authors, different definitions. But main definition is the main yoga is a unique of Atma and Paramatma. After this, next is main importance of yoga. So first topic also continue started. So importance of yoga is the main topic is, for example, reduce tension. This is the specially importance of yoga. Next is improves concentration. This is the very importance. Next is clean respiratory organs. It means during breathing exercises. So our respiratory organs is clean. ठीक है, स्पेशली एक्सरसाइजेज कपालभाति लोम विलोम, दिस इज अ रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स क्लीन एक्सरसाइजेज. नेक्स्ट इज controls sense organs. So control sense organs also is a main importance. Next is relax the body. It means during yoga activities, yeah, after yoga asanas, our bodies are fully relaxed. This is the main relax the body. So after this, next topic is the main obesity. This is the main topic is especially our body few problems, yeah, obesity problems, diabetes problems, asthma problems, hypertension problems. So especially is firstly one by one is main obesity. First topic is obesity. So obesity is the main topic. Our body gain fat. Okay, so obesity is day by day increased. So dear students, firstly we check VMI, especially obesity related. Obesity is the defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that may impair health. One, obesity is the main, especially obesity is medical condition when the body of a person contains 20% or more fat as compared to specially related idle weight. Okay, so main is according to WHO BMI. Okay, so BMI is the main, specially checked our body weight in kg and height in meter scales. So according to BMI index, our body weight is the a result of 18.5 to 24.9. So this is the weight category. Our body is a very good weight. It means normal category. So after this, yeah, before 18.5 this is the underweight category, and after 24.9 is the this is overweight category. So main is causes of obesity. So main is various causes of obesity is main, especially imbalance between calories intake, the calories expended, yeah, lack of physical activities, genetics also. Next is poor diet conditions. Next is physiological factors also. This is the main causes of obesity. Okay, so especially improving for this obesity related asanas. It means obesity removed. So especially related this asana is main Vajrasan. ठीक है, हस्तोनासन, त्रिकोणा आसन, this is Ardha Machendra asana. This is asanas all specially our obesity removed. It means our body weight is the normal. So every day 15 to 20 minutes every day doing exercises in especially yoga this asana. So reduce obesity. Okay, so after this next topic is the main, especially diabetes. So dear students, especially diabetes is the main procedure between the especially related of few asanas to remove diabetes. Okay, especially it means over diabetes. It means diabetes is the main disease in our body. So especially main causes of diabetes, the many problems of especially of the kidneys, kidneys problems, especially our pancreas problem. Okay, so during especially risk factor of this is the main family history, yeah, environmental factors, yeah, personal of damages in immune system cells. Okay, this is the geography. This is the especially risk factors. Okay, so especially dear students, our risk factor is gastronomical diabetes. Main is age, family, person history, yeah, weight also. This is the specially diabetes. So what is diabetes? So diabetes is the specially diabetes. Mellitus or diabetes is a condition that prevents your body from properly using the energy from the food you eat. It is condition in which blood glucose or blood sugar level are too high. This is especially diabetes cause to one of the following situation. Main first is the pancreas, yeah, and organs behind your stomach produce little insulin or no insulin at all. Yeah, insulin is a naturally occurring hormones produced by the beta cells of the pancreas, which helps the body use sugar for energy. Next is the pancreas makes insulin. What the insulin made does not work as it should. The condition is called insulin resistance. So our body is made up to millions of cells. The make energy the cells need food is in a very simple form. When we eat a drink, much of our food is broken drawn into simple sugar cells, glucose. Especially glucose produce the energy. Okay, glucose produce the energy. So especially our body need for daily activity. Okay, the body vessels are body transport sugar or from where is other body needs the daily activity. Yeah, body vessels are blood transport sugar for where is it is either taken in the stomach or manufactured in liver to cells where it is used muscles when it is should fat. Okay, so sugar cannot go into the cells by itself. The pancreas release insulin into the blood, which serve as the helper or the key that lets sugar into the cells for use and energy. When sugar level the blood streams and enters the cells, the blood sugar level is lowered. So without insulin, level the without insulin, sugar cannot get into the body cells for use and energy. This causes sugar is rise too much sugar into the blood cells, especially high blood sugars. Okay, so mainly this is the different types of sugar, different situation related. Okay, so especially our next is the diabetes related asanas. So reduce diabetes, it means especially Bhujanga asana is the especially beneficial our diabetes. Yeah, Paschimottanasana also is the Pavan Mukta asana also is the, yeah, Ardhama asana also is the this specially remove diabetes. So after this next is the specially for asthma. So asthma also is the specially, this is main asthma few is the related of respiratory problems. Okay, so asthma is a common lung condition that causes occurs breathe difficulties. So asthma is the caused by especially swelling, inflammation of the breathing tube that carry air in and out of the lungs. The makes the tubes high sensitive so they temporarily narrow. It may occur randomly or after exposed to a trigger. Common asthma trigger include, so especially smoking related, exercises, main is infections like colds or flu related, yeah, breathlessness, a tight chest which may feel like a bend is tightening around it. This is the main especially asthma related problems. So main causes of this is cold air, yeah, physical activities, yeah, respiratory infections, yeah, air pollution also. This is the main causes. Especially risk factor is the being a smoker, yeah, exposed to second hand smoke, yeah, exposed to enhanced fumes or other types of pollutions, yeah, being overweight also is the, this is the asthma related problem. Especially prevention of asthma is the by using air conditioner, keep your surrounding clean, know your asthma triggers and minimize contact with them, yeah, take your asthma medicines as prescribed. So after this main is without medicine, especially yoga related, yeah, asthma related, asanas especially, main precautions of this is everyday doing chakrasanas, Gomukhasanas, Pavanmukta asanas, Bhujanga asanas, yeah, Paschimottanasana asanas, Matsya asana. This is all for beneficial of asthma. So after this, last topic is the our especially for hypertension. So dear students, hypertension. Hypertension. What is the hypertension? Especially is the hypertension is the BP related. It means high blood pressure. So especially blood pressure is the force of our body pushing against the walls of our arteries. Each time our heartbeat, it pumps blood into the arteries. Our blood pressure is the highest when our heartbeat pumping the blood. This is called systolic pressure. When our heart is at rest between beat, our blood pressure falls. This is called uh, diastolic pressure. So blood pressure is measured in mm and hg. A reading of 120 to 80 is the normal blood pressure, and 140 is the 140 to 90 or higher is the high blood pressure. So when the blood pressure becomes abnormally high, it is called hypertension. So high blood pressure used has no symptoms, but it can cause serious problems such as stroke, heart failure, heart attack and kidney failures. This is all for especially hypertension related. Yeah, especially is the hypertension is the, yeah, type of high blood pressure is the two types. Main is primary hypertension and secondary hypertension. So okay, this is the different types. So main is the especially precautions of hypertension related. Especially is the hypertension related, remove hypertension, especially this asanas, Tadasana. It means everyday doing Tadasana. Everyday doing, second is Vajrasana. Next is Pavanmuktasana, Ardha Chakrasana, Bhujanga. Yeah, many problems for many people. It means dangerous related problems. So do Sukhasana, Shavasana. Shavasana, it means laying position. Do doing every day 20-30 minutes and long breathing exercises. It means simple posture of laying, eyes closed, only breathing exercises. This is especially for Shavasana. So every day do Shavasana. This is the later for hypertension. So dear students, our this chapter is especially yoga related, importance of yoga. Yeah, after this our body few problems, obesity, diabetes, asthma, hypertension. So related this this problems are related, do yoga asanas. Okay, so this is the especially yoga and lifestyle related our topic. So last day also full one by one discuss is the yoga related, importance related, yeah, obesity related, diabetes, asthma and hypertension. So today only for revision. So any student, again I am saying, doubt for about this topic yoga and lifestyle related chapter, so this number, this is my contact number 9814465720. So any student doubt for related this topic, so anytime send message, sir, this is doubt for this topic. Okay, so I am solving for your topic. Thank you students, have a nice day. Thank you very much.